Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our 2019 BMW 330i. This one is very, very highly optioned with your M Sport pack, xDrive. Everything you need is here in this one. Wow, absolutely gorgeous car. Carbon carbon sound, blue contrast stitching. This one does have gesture control. Heated steering wheel, paddle shifters, nav, 360 camera, backup assistant. Which, let's see how that works. Oh, okay, I know how that works now. Engage reverse. So that is going to say you put yourself in a parking spot, you want it to back out for you, it will do it. Pretty cool. But let's go ahead, we're in sport mode. Put the transmission in sport. Oh man, I love this car. Actually, this morning I drove this to Boston and back to pick up a customer who was picking up their car. Took this because one, I knew I was going to be filming it and I really wanted to get acclimated with the car. Two, because it's cool. And this car is awesome. Super comfortable on highway cruises. Plenty of torque. This is a turbo 4. With the 330i, the 340i has a turbo 6. Honestly, I don't need that additional power. You will get little burbles here and there from the exhaust. Eight-speed automatic. So much fun. Just hold the paddle, get yourself out of manual mode. Let's get a little bit of a gap. Any cars coming? On the highway, you can cruise all day long. I mean, just comfort. This thing is all about comfort. And then once you hit a back road, man, can you have some fun. And 2 turbo. See, what I like about this is the exhaust is loud enough, but not overbearing. It's tough to do, and BMW managed it. It's loud enough where you can have some fun with it. Have crackles here and there, but it's not gonna be so loud to annoy your neighbors. These paddles are so responsive. This is definitely one of the better torque converter autos I've driven. Even when you start doing things the transmission really can't predict, it's good. And especially at low speeds, even in the sportiest settings, the transmission is smooth, so there's no compromise there. Then once you start really pushing it, nice and quick shifts. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.